how do you use our new tissue paper? So, a very quick tutorial. Put the glue on the cover and stretch it very well. Be generous with the glue. In this case, we have vinyl glue. Don't be afraid. Stretch it very well. Put it very well on the angles, on the side. A little bit more here, so be sure that the whole cover is very well covered. Then take the tissue paper and put it on the glue, assuring that the image is on the center, and use your hand to quickly stretch it on the cover. Be careful of the wrinkles. If there are still wrinkles on the cover, because sometimes the paper will absorb a little bit of glue, of course, you can use the baking paper, in this case, a ruler, or simply your hand, and stretch it very well. I'll let you see as well with the ruler, in order to avoid all the wrinkles. And our book is perfectly decorated. Let me show you some examples of the use of this beautiful tissue paper. In this case, for example, we realized a beautiful clock is all redecorated with our tissue paper in the inside, and as I told you, you can use it with different techniques. So for example, in this case, we use it together, we match it with our stencil. So you can find everything that you need from our retailers. And this is a very beautiful example of it, but in this case, we used to decorate our junk journal, as you can see, and the tissue paper in this case is glued on the faux leather. So they are very versatile, they adapt to different kind of materials. So it's basically something very beautiful, something that will allow you to expand your fantasies to the universe. I would say it's basically perfect. I bet you are thrilled with this new collection. So share your project on our social media channels and see you soon. Bye!